...2014 BMW X5, we are putting this Android monitor. We already have them taken out. Radio comes out pretty simple. This center dash trim comes out, the air vent. Then there are 2 screws on the bottom. And this monitor comes out. There are 2 screws right here. And it comes out. And we're going to run the wires. We already ran the wires inside. We're going to run wires through this hole behind the monitor. And everything comes down this way. Everything plugs in the new monitor. This is the installation manual. Basically all the harnesses plug in on the back of the new monitor. That comes down on the bottom side of the controllers. This thing you do is put this trim over that covers up the hole, and the new monitor goes in. The new monitor fits onto the new bezel. And all the wires come down here. Now we're going to take the radio out. Everything has to be plugged in with the key harness. So once you remove these 2 screws up here, this bezel comes out, and the 2 plugs, you can unplug that. And there should be 4 screws holding on to the actual radio CD player. And the radio should pop out. Disconnect the main harness. This is the main harness. First thing we're going to do is to remove this fiber optic wire. There's a little locking tab right here at the end. That one. We're going to pull that away from it and pull this fiber optic cable from here and transfer over to the new one, which is this one here. You can see there's an empty hole here. So we're going to take this off, put it on here. Okay. Pull that out gently. Okay. I'm going to put that onto the new one. So transfer this fiber optic cable to the new cable, key harness, and this goes back into the radio, and the female side plugs into the factory one. There's no space in the middle, but there is a gap here. So you can actually run wire through here. So again, no space here in the middle. There's a gap here, big gap. So you run it through here, then pull over to the middle. There are male and female plugs. So one plugs into there and the other one plugs into the speaker. There's a push-up.
Your new Pennsylvania Interstate Shopping Center this weekend. Head in store Friday and Saturday to be the first local customers to receive a $10 Burlington bonus card. You do not want to miss out. Hurry into your new Etsy store for a weekend.
Sunday's weather.
No encontré Sunday en tu biblioteca de Apple Music. Puedes pedir una aplicación de radio o tu música en una app en específico.